Hey Warner family, we're here with Chief Monahan, the Chief of Police for South Daytona, and Captain Cheatham. Guys, we're so excited that you're here, and really thank you for your service and all that you do for our community. What brought you out today?
Well, I really feel privileged that we've been invited to this great Love and Unity parade, and for me to be a part of it, and for the captain and members of the city of South Daytona, we're thrilled to be out here with these children. I'm telling you, this is energy. This is energy at its best, and I'm loving it. So thank you so much for having us here today.
Thank you so much.
Yes, absolutely. And I also just want to say we're glad it's a tradition that seems to be continuing on each year. Thank you.